All right, blessed day, great minds. You're welcome to Sir Pedro Mathematics tutorials. Today we are looking at this question on geometry. As you can see from the diagram. So the question says, in the diagram, PQRX is a rectangle. PK is 15 cm. SK is equal to KR. An angle SKP is 37 degrees. So we are asked to find the area of the shaded portion. So we are asked to find the area of the shaded portion. So we are looking for this one. So when you study the diagram carefully, so what you do first is solution and analysis. All right, the first thing is let's take this unshaded triangle out. So let's assume this is the triangle, the right angle triangle. So this is 37 degree. This is 15 centimeter. This is X, this is K, and this is P. So seeing this triangle, you see that this is a right angle triangle. So we can apply trigonometrical ratio to solve for these unknown sides in this triangle. So we are going to use a SOCA, an acronym we use in remembering trigonometrical ratio. So the first one here, let's see, we are looking for PX. This is opposite. This is hypotenuse and this is adjacent. The side opposite the given angle is called opposite. And the side opposite the 90 degree is the hypotenuse. So this other side is the adjacent. So say we are looking for the opposite here. So we are going to apply sine 37 degree. Opposite over hypotenuse, sine. So we have PX over 15. So quickly, we have PX is going to be 15 sine 37 degree. All right. So what we do now, we look for sine 37 degree from the calculator. All right. So I have a sine 37, 37. So we have this one now will be equal to 15 times 0.6018. All right. So that will quickly give us 9.03 cm. So this is what we got for the first one, this side PX. So let's look for the side SK before we continue. So SK, this is adjacent. Where adjacent is what? Adjacent of hypotenuse, so which is cosine. Cos 37 is equal to adjacent, which is SK over hypotenuse, which is 15. So we can easily have that SK is cos 37 times 15. So quickly, let's check the calculator. Let's get cos 37. So cosine 37 will give us 0.787986. So we have that SK is simply 0.7986 times 15. So this will quickly give us when we multiply. So let's quickly multiply. All right. Okay, times 15. So we have 11.980 centimeter. So the value for the SK is 11.980 centimeter. So quickly, we've gotten this side, we've gotten this side. So remember that SK is equal to what? KR. So that means since SK is equal to KR, all right? So that means that SR is simply 2 times 11.98. So let's see quickly. Let's see quickly. They're wasting time. So you say 2 times 11.98. Quickly, we have 23.96. All right. So SR is 23.96 cm. So we've gotten the full length of this place. We've already know the length of this place. So we can easily find the area of the rectangle. So first of all, area of shaded portion. Let's get the area of the shaded portion. Area of shaded portion is area of rectangle minus area of triangle. So the area of shaded portion is area of a triangle minus the area of the full triangle, the rectangle. You minus this triangle out of it. That gives you the area of the shaded portion. So quickly, let's see. First of all, we need to find the area of a triangle of a rectangle. So A of a rectangle is simply length times breadth. The length PQ or XR and PX. PS is 9.03. So easily we can easily say the length is 23.96 times 9.03. All right, let's see the calculator. So times 9.03. So we have 2163.3588 centimeter square, right? So we've gotten the area of the rectangle. So quickly, let's see the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle, okay? So area of a triangle, triangle PSPK or PSK. That is the area of the triangle we're looking for. And the area of a triangle here is half base times what? Height. Okay? So simply half the base of the triangle is what we got before there, 11.980 times what is the height? PX 9.0 what? 9.03. All right. So quickly, let's see. So the first thing we do, we multiply and divide by 2. So 11.980 times 9.03, right? We divide it by 2. Divide by 2. So we have a 54.0897 cm square. All right, so we've gotten the area of the full shape, that is the rectangle, and the area of this unshaded part, which is the triangle. So for us to get the area of the shaded portion is simply area of the rectangle minus the area of what? The triangle. So this one, shaded portion is simply 1216.3588 minus 54.087897. So let's quickly subtract it and see what it will give to us. All right. So we have 216.3588 minus 54.0897. So we have final answer as 162.2691, approximately 162 cm square as the final value. All right, so you see it. So it's a very, very, very trivial one. So you have to follow the sequence, understand your question, and understand what to do. So the rest is will be a story. All right. You know the shape is a rectangle and this is a triangle. So what you do, get the area of the rectangle, get the area of the triangle you are seeing, then the rest is done. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section or DM us. Thank you very much. Do well to follow us. God bless you.